Hello my friends, welcome back here to the channel. For today I have this project that is a table glass. I will show you how to design this project. In a previous video I created these corners. The card is up here on the video. And in this video I will show you how to create this project using parameter design. If you want, you can copy my parameters here. Just click on the plus button, write a name, and add here the number. If you want to pause the video, you create all the parameters that you need for this project. Click here and delete this project. Just use these parameters. I created this drawing. If you want to download, the link is in the description. Let's create a new design. And here I have all the parameters. We can start creating the first component. Create here a square at the center. Here and here. This is the parameter divided to 2. 1 tab 2. Okay. Create here an offset to inside. This parameter is the thickness, and create here the fillet. Select all the corners here, 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 and create the parameter that will be the thickness. Okay, 2 millimeters in this case. Here. Extrude with the parameter of the height here, and click OK. Now you can create in this face a sketch that we project, P for project. Select this line, create a triangular here, here. Select this midpoint to that line. This will be the width of the tube. Click OK. And here we have 45 degrees. Finish the sketch. E for extrude. Remove all the material. You can remove all and click OK. Repeat the process with this face here. Here. Select P for project. Project this line. Another triangular here. 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 Midpoint, constrain with this project line, the same, the width of the tube. Click OK, and 45 degrees angle here and here. E for extrude, remove all the material and click OK. Now we have our corner ready to assembly. For that we need to return to the main project. Click here, right button, copy. Here on the main project, click the right button and paste as new. Here. Okay. Repeat the process, copy the first component, paste as new, and here. Now you can rename. If you want to apply very fast colors here, you can hold the shift and click N. They will create some colors on the components. In the second component, change the height to the length, change the direction to symmetric, create a mirror, select these two features, these two extrude, and select a mid-plane. At mid-plane, and click OK. I will repeat the same process for the last component. The white, click here on the first extrude, change to symmetric the whole length, and change the parameter for the white here, and click OK. With this mirror tool, select these two other extrude, the middle plane, and click OK. Return to the main project. Here on the first component we can ground it. Don't move this component. And now we can start creating our table. Select here the joint command. Go to the control. Click on the corner. With that corner. Okay. Here you can repeat the process with that corner. Here and here. Here and here. Click OK. Now we have our first corner ready. Just repeat this process, and the last step is to create the glass. I will speed the video at this point and return when it is ready. Now we have our table joint. Just create another component here on the main project. That will be the glass. Select the first plane. Create a rectangle by the center with the length and the width. And finish and extrude with the thickness here and here. Now we have our glass. Just joint here this point with that point and move. Just move here the widest of the two, divide by 2. Here on the Inspect tab, disable the color components, and now you can apply some colors here on the appearance, here and here, and the glass. And now you can create some changes on the parameters like that. The table will automatically adjust it, the height, here, 2, they are automatically adjusted. Here, here. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. If you like this video, click here on the like button. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.